clean in the morning.
These cats
Yeah, that wall.
have a problem with mangoworms. And in cats it's a problem because they don't like to come out. In dogs they come out quite easily, but in cats
When they have a dog, I put the cream, all die. Big man.
huge, huh?
It's dead. But cannot cry. Eh? Now cry because I drop it. When they eat,
Too many worms, too many.
I don't know what I have to do. Throw. I mean, if I have to kill, I cannot kill them.
It's difficult, huh? It's really difficult. Okay. You know what? I will try to find somebody who can feed them.
I have small biberon there. I make myself.
No, I have to. The milk is not the problem. The problem is to find somebody who can do it.
I know.
I
know Luigi. Luigi have many cats there. But if I go there, I know cannot take me. I cannot put from to the door. I cannot do what do to me. You understand?
Yeah.
Because for me it's a big problem.
No, I will ask one woman if she can help with the feeding.
In my country, they have if I drop, they have it to keep it. They take. They have a hospital. I don't know what it's called. But here they don't have. I know to kill is very easy, but me, I don't want to have in my heart. No, I don't want to have.
It's easy, but difficult.
It's difficult.